I will present this photo of my family. The man on the left of the photo is my brother, Mr. Jairo. He is lovely, tall, and youthful. He is wearing a light brown jacket, a black shirt, black pants, and brown shoes. He enjoys playing while playing simulators. My brother likes playing video games. He really dislikes working with a boss. He is looking at my brother and he is thinking in the photo. There is a woman wearing a green wool sweater. Her name is Chris and she is my sister. She is generally very pretty, short, thin blonde haired woman. She is wearing a white shirt, black pants, and black boots. She really likes to go shopping and she loves traveling. She hates to cook. The gym is not her thing. She is posing for the photographer and smiling in the photo. To the right of the photo is Mr. Alvaro. He is my brother. He is outgoing, handsome, tall, blue-eyed, brunette man. He is wearing a black suit, yellow t-shirt, and black shoes. Alvaro really likes to go away France and he is keen on gin. He is not a big fan of metal music. He is talking to my sister and touching his shoe in the photo. The lady who is to the right of my sister is my mother. Her name is Gloria. She is pretty, friendly, short, thin, straight, and white hair. She is wearing a pink dress, a white t-shirt, and purple scarf. She really loves to read and to take photos. She dislikes listening to music and hates eating in popular restaurants. She is watching the photographer and crossing her arms in the photo.